Oh my God, that's delicious. Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Now today's cocktail is kind of a little bit of a special one. I have a coworker that's been with our company for 5 years. 16, yeah, at least 5, maybe a little more than 5 years. This person started with us when she was 16 years old in high school. She's still with us today, and she turns 21 today. Today is her 21st birthday, and joking around, everything, she knows about my channel and all that, and she asked, make a cocktail for my 21st birthday, and I said, sure, why not? So the requirements that she gave me were pretty simple. Fruity, sweet, and pink. So I'm like, got that. For some reason, I make a lot of pink and red cocktails. I just like cranberry juice in cocktails. So we're gonna be making this cocktail, and this is called the Flemingo. If you caught the thumbnail, Flamingo's not spelled wrong. Well, it's kind of spelled wrong, but for a reason. So we're gonna go ahead with this cocktail, calling it the Flemingo, pink drink, of course, and fruity, sweet, and perfect little summertime cocktail, poolside. It's just an absolutely delicious cocktail. I've made it a few times practicing. It's been a big hit with everybody who's tried it. So enough about that. Let's go ahead and get started. So in a small tin, we're gonna start with some vodka. Now, if you're here in South Louisiana, with this drink, you have to use JT Mellick. Using a different vodka is gonna give you a slightly different taste. This has a little sweet little note to it to begin with because it's not over distilled. It's an amazing vodka. So we're gonna go 2 ounces of vodka. All right, so next we're gonna be doing the pink, which is gonna be cranberry juice. We're gonna be using Ocean Spray's Diet Cranberry Juice. And this is gonna be 1 ounce. It's gonna have 1 ounce, a quarter. Yeah, no, 0.25 quarter gram of carbs per ounce. We're using 2 ounces, so yeah, half a carb in the cranberry juice. So keep it fruity and still trying to keep it low carb is we're gonna be using some orange juice, but we're gonna be using some Simply Lite orange juice. Now, Simply Lite orange juice has 1.5 grams of carbs per ounce. So that's all we're using is 1 ounce. So we're going 1 ounce of our orange juice. And if you don't want to do it low carb, knock yourself out, because I don't think Brennan really does low carb. So there's our orange juice. So now here's all of our fruity. Now to kind of just bring that sweet note up a notch, we're gonna go ahead and add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So this is my Allulose Simple Syrup, so there'll be no carbs in this. So just 1/2 ounce, not a whole lot, because we are putting some sweet stuff in this. So, and then from here, we're gonna be going with a little bit of Grenadine. Grenadine is just a pomegranate syrup, and Monin makes a great sugar-free pomegranate syrup. Just 1/2 ounce of this. So it just brings another level of sweetness and fruitiness at the same time. So it ends there. Next, we need to balance out that sweet, because we have, simple syrup, pomegranate syrup, orange juice is a little sweet to begin with. The cranberry juice, a little sweet, mostly tart. So we're gonna bring a little more tart in that with some fresh lime juice. And there you go, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. So let's kind of do a quick, man, I'm not even drinking yet. I can't get it out. So let's do a quick carb count. We're gonna do 1.5 grams of carbs with our orange juice, 1/2 gram of carb with our cranberry juice. So that's gonna be 2 grams of carbs, 2 grams of carbs in fresh lime juice. So that is all of our ingredients in the Flemingo. So we're gonna add a little bit of ice to our large tin. And one day I'll get an ice bucket. Put all this together, give it a good shake. All right, and I don't know many 21-year-olds who actually have cocktail kits and stuff like that and tools. But if you don't have shakers and all that stuff and jiggers, you can use those little bitty measuring cups to get your ounces. You can use a mason jar even to shake your stuff in. So here we go. Let's get ourselves a nice chilled cocktail glass. And I was thinking she wanted something, you know, she said pretty. So the best thing I could think of, I have this really nice cocktail glass that's from the 1920s. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite glasses. Found it in an attic cleaning out an old property, believe it or not. And one day I'm going to shoot a video and not forget something. What'd you forget? I don't have a strainer. Can you go get me a strainer? It's on the counter. It's on the counter. I know right where it is. Thought I had everything. So we're gonna double strain this, make it a nice clean cocktail so there'll be no ice chips in it. And that is a beautiful drink right there. Okay. Now from here, let's talk about the garnish. I think, oh man, ooh, that's full. I can't even pick that up. A little better. Oh my God, that's delicious. That's absolutely delicious. So I tried. Oh, garnish, we're gonna go ahead and grab a lime. It's sweet, it's fruity, it's sweet. It's a sweet drink. You guys, if you like sweet drinks, you're gonna love this one. So we're gonna cut our lime in half. And we're gonna make what's called a lime wheel. We're gonna cut a small section, about 1/4 inch, off of half of that lime. All right, now to finish that garnish, we're gonna cut that circle in half and we're gonna bend it. So we're gonna take this bottom tip and fold it to the top. We're gonna take this bottom tip, fold it to the back side of it. So we're gonna fold it this way. And we're gonna use a cocktail pick to secure that in place. So we're gonna put the cocktail pick in, we're gonna fold it, put the cocktail pick in here and here, fold it the other way, put the cocktail pick in there. So you have this nice little S-shaped lime garnish. And there you have the Flemingo. Man, this is delicious. Grab yourself another glass. I got more in here. I could actually make 2 drinks, or a big one. Kelly, okay. Just like grab a mason jar or something, glass. There you go. So this is actually what I do when I'm finished videos, is I just do this. I make it all nice and pretty for pictures and do all that stuff, and it looks really cool. But then the wife's waiting for me to finish the video so she can take the drink. And now, she gets to have a little bit of fun. See your hand sneak up and grab it. All right, guys. So, overall, Brennan, I hope you enjoy this drink. I know you're going to have some friends over and y'all going to try to make this and y'all have fun with this. Don't overindulge and make sure, of course, guys, don't drink and drive. Have a designated driver or just everybody, you know, just kind of chill out and spend the night. Just don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. So anyway, so guys, if you like the content I'm putting out and you'd like to support me, I do have a Patreon page. There'll be a link in the description below. Any of the links in the description that are Amazon links or affiliate links, those help me out as well. But if you can't afford to do any of those things, the best way you can help me is like my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and yeah, share my videos. And if nothing else, please subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day, because after, oh, she's got it. She'll be having a good day. See y'all later.